How do I know if my real estate lawyer has my back? Hi, my name is Attorney Edward Littlejohn, and I'm the founding attorney and CEO of Littlejohn Law. One of the questions that we often get are, hey, we see that your team does real estate and you are one of the highest rated Google law firms in the Valley. We want to switch counsels. Is this something that we can do? One of the first things that we consider, or you should consider when you're thinking about switching lawyers or law firms, is does my law firm have the team so that they can adequately address the real estate litigation matter at hand? Far too often we see solo or small law firms that are one attorney handling the case. And to be honest, a lot of complex real estate litigation matters have too many moving pieces and too many moving parts for one person to handle alone. They're doing the best that they can, but we have a team. It's myself, I have an associate attorney, and we have some paralegals and law clerks who help out. Each person on my team has a specific role to play. So one of the telltale signs that your lawyer is not working the case is the frequency of the bills. If you are not getting a bill, at least once a month or every other month, then chances are your lawyer isn't working on the case, right? The retainer model is pretty simple. You take a retainer, you put it in the trust account, and then you bill against it. If your law firm is not billing against the trust account, then they've already predetermined the case, predetermined the argument and positions that they're going to take, and predetermined the fact that they may or may not win the case. I was just recently on the phone with a potential new client about switching lawyers. His lawyer had not been sending any invoices. His lawyer had set the case up and said that all that they needed was one map, a survey map, and it was going to win the case. The client, he had an overwhelming amount of other evidence proving his case. That additional overwhelming evidence was not submitted to the trial court, and now he wants to use it on appeal. You can't use it on appeal if you didn't use it in the trial court. So it left the potential client with a hard place. Does he switch counsels to Littlejohn Law to have us handle the appeal, or does he stay with his current counsel? If you are wondering whether or not you should switch counsel or stay with your current counsel for your complex real estate litigation matter, give us a call, 740-346-2899. We will schedule you for a telephone consultation with our case evaluator so that you can really discuss your options and weigh the pros and cons with moving forward with my team. We look forward to helping you. And one thing I always like to say, it's a shame that we have to sue people to get them to do the right thing, but we've got your back.